Jen here with part 2 of my review of the Monster Snap Hoop, or the Snap Hoop Monster as it's called. I did well with the stickers. I was concerned I was going to have a problem, but they actually did let me reposition them a little bit. I cut them down to what I felt was the right size ahead of putting them on, and so that made it, that much easier to handle. And the other thing I did is I made sure that the zero line, that little line there, faced the inside on all 4 sides. And so I was really happy I did that way, because later on you'll see how I line it up with the crosshairs on the design, and it made it really easy to see. So the next step would be to put my towel, which I'm actually redoing a little bib here, and they're nice little towels, nice easy project to work with. So I just lay it on here, and I'll have to set it out a little bit out of view to do it, but basically it's only going to take me a second, and then I'll show you. I'm really easily able to place this, move it around, get it to how I think it looks centered, so much easier than I did with the traditional hoop. I've been playing with this, I've done it a couple times. I'm just pulling out all 4 sides and easily putting my towel in, and as you can see, I'm actually redoing this one. I had a little snafu, and I'm putting something different on top of it. It's going to be appliqued, so you won't even see that. But as you can see, I was able to look at my width and kind of make sure I'm centered. I'll do a little more accurate when I'm off camera. And then the bottom, I could look at that and just try to make sure it was straight. So I feel very good about being able to place things in this. And then even nicer when I did, and I always do this, I print out my pattern so I really get a sense of my size, making sure I like it. And when I laid this down, I could easily line up the crosshairs in my photo here with the zeros and be really happy with how I'm laying it out. I can see I want to lower it a little bit, but it's going to work real nice for me, I can tell. And then it slides right in to I took it in and out a few times, and I liked it very much. Just make sure you don't manipulate it if you have to take it in and out for, say, applique like I'm going to be doing. They even mention this in the directions, just to make sure you don't move things around so that it'll line back up again. But it's sliding in just fine, and it feels fine against my machine bed, like it's not going to hurt anything. Those little lines on the back will feel like they're working just fine. So I'll be all set to use this, and I think I'm going to be a lot faster. I'm very excited about it. So if you have any questions, please post them, and thanks for watching. Have a good night.